Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Codex CLI on Linux operating system, such as Fedora, Red Hat, suse, etc. So first, this place open terminal. So this is the terminal is there. Let's increase the size. Now here, if I write this place node minus minus version. Then you can see version 22 is already installed. And if I write there npm minus v. So this here npm version, okay, npm version, okay, let's write minus minus version. So this npm one global python, this is stopping next major version, and 11.9 is there. Okay. Now let's use this clear command, and with the help of this npm that I'm going to install this codex. So now if you write to this place codex, then you can see codex is not found. So with the help of this npm that going to install the Codex CLI. Now copy and paste this command. So npm I for install minus g for global @ OpenI codex. Now press enter. So here you can see some process is going on. For this one, net should be connected because this is doing some download as well as install. Added two packages in 28 seconds. After that, simply you need to write their codex. So this time there is no any problem. This all that's coming there. First option that's selected. Second here you can do the sign in with code. This is API. First selecting press enter. Now here this is for authorization. This here you can see if the or if Firefox or any browser is not opening, by selecting this here this selected, you can right click and open the link. So this already open there. So this here Firefox, and this is for login. So you can do the login with the OpenAI account, Google account, Apple, Microsoft form. So continuing with the Google account. So here sign in with the codex that's done by using the Google account. Now thereafter press enter to continue. So here currently in root, press enter, try new model. So here you can see ChatGPT 5.4 is there. Now if I write this place hi. So here I'm getting this 5.4 is not supported when using codex with a ChatGPT. So here let's use model. Here you can change the version. So default this one. Let's use their 5.2 codex. Medium, let's give their high. So hi, what do you want to work? So they're going to ask give top 10. So this is the top 10 command of the Linux. Here give example of cat command. So cat command, cat 10 or this here, you should give this one. After that, you can write anything or include the file. So this is how we can install this Codex CLI on Linux operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.